Okay, we've got the main ring out of the way. Let's go ahead and screw this little section. It's a bit fiddly, one-handed. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, there's no flat edge, so I can't get a spanner on there. That's nice and firm. It's obviously just fitted with my hand rather than using a proper spanner. Okay, as you can see, fitted the shower head on there. Fitted on there well, snug. The lack of articulation on here. Presumably this is better for a drop down one off the ceiling. So it has to face forward, which is fine when you're in the shower. But you want to try and minimise water coming out of the door. A drop down from the ceiling would be most suitable for this shower head, I think. Turn it on full hot, let's just see what happens. So that is pretty damn hot, I wouldn't touch that. Well, touch them right now. Just wait for it to pulsate again. Let's turn the lights off as well. Okay, so it's indicating it's very hot. Just going to turn it off now. As you can see, there is a build-up of water in there. It's retreating.